Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to sign in and sign out of your YouTube account. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address. Enter your password and click next. That's it. You are signed into your YouTube account. To sign out of your YouTube account, click on the profile photo at the top right corner of the page. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. That's it. You are signed out of your YouTube account. This is how you can sign in and sign out of your YouTube account. Thank you for watching.